How to share your Wi-Fi password using a QR code. This is one of the quickest ways to let someone connect to your Wi-Fi without typing the password. First, open the Settings app on your phone and tap Wi-Fi or Network and Internet, depending on your Android version. Next, tap the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. You'll see a Share option. Tap it, then verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password if prompted. Your phone will now generate a QR code containing your Wi-Fi network information. On the other phone, simply open the camera app or a QR code scanner and point it at the QR code. Once it's recognized, tap the notification to connect to the Wi-Fi network automatically. No need to enter the password manually. That's it. You've successfully shared your Wi-Fi password using a QR code. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Android tips, smartphone tutorials, and easy tech guides.